Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing pretty well. In this video, we are going to see that if your Microsoft Store is not working or it just closes immediately after you open that on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computers. So we will see a couple of solutions for that and one of them might work for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now, first of all, what you can do here is just go to the start menu here and just write WS reset. Now guys, whenever you are facing any kind of problem with the Microsoft Store, you try to run it from WS reset. Just right click here and run as administrator, and hopefully that should solve the problem and it will open up just fine. As you can see here, it will process a little bit and it will open up the window of the Microsoft Store. So if it resolves the issue and if it is not crashing, that's the solution for it. Now after that, what you can do, if it doesn't solve the problem, something else what you can do here is just go to the start menu and right here CMD, just right click here and click on run as administrator. If it asks you for the permission, click on yes. And here guys, I'll enter a very simple command, sfc space /scan now. Scan now shall be one word without any gaps, and hit enter. It will take some time to begin the system scan. So I'll just fast forward the process. It will complete in a while, but I'll just fast forward this process to show you further what to do. So guys, that's it. Just comment down below if that works for you, and if not, what problem you're facing, just mention in the comments so that I can provide you an easy solution for that. Till then, take care and I'll see you in the next one.